Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up an MFA on your AWS account. AWS uses your credential, that's your username and password, in addition to a secondary authentication method called the MFA to secure your AWS account. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and then share for others to know. See you in the video. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss AWS MFA, AWS Multi-Factor Authentication. AWS uses MFA as a secondary security measure in addition to your AWS username and password credentials to secure your AWS account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can be able to set up an MFA on your AWS account. So I have logged into my AWS console. If you remember from my previous video, we created users. Okay, we created users in IAM, Identity and Access Management. So now MFA can be created on the root account or on the IAM user account. So in our case, we are going to use the IAM user for this tutorial. So we type in our alias. So we go to IAM. So we are going to add MFA to our user, which is George. So you click on add MFA. The device name, we use the same name as George as our device name. Then we have to choose which MFA device we are going to use. Device options are password or key security key. We have authentication app, we have hardware, TOTP token and all that, but we are going to use the authenticator app. Now Google has authenticator, Microsoft has, other third parties to have authenticator, but what we are going to use now will be the Google Authenticator. Okay, so you choose Authenticator app, click on next. Now from here I will need to resize my screen so that we can be able to have a look at our screen. Okay, so like I mentioned, we are going to use Google Authenticator. So you just go to, if you're on the using iPhone, you just have to go to the App Store and then you download Google Authenticator. Likewise on Android, you go to Play Store and then you download Google Authenticator. Now, so I've already downloaded this app on my phone, as you can see on the screen. Check our browser, it's saying that we should show the QR code. So you click on show QR code. Now you go back to your phone, you open the app, you click on this plus sign over here, then you choose scan QR code. When it opens, you move that across your QR code, immediately it picks it up. It's saying that we should put in the code. So we put in our first code, which is 59 3448. Okay, so we need to wait for the second code to show up here. Okay, so now the second code shows up, 373417. Now you click on add MFA. Okay, so we have now, it's added here that multi-factor authentication MFA virtual. Okay, so now we just need to log out and then log back in. So we type in our account alias. Our IM user is George. Then our password. It's now requesting for our MFA code 373417. Okay, maybe the password is wrong. Let me type it again. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, so 804452. Okay, so we have now been able to log into our AWS account using our credentials and an MFA. So if this video has provided value to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share for others to know. See you in the next video.